Imagine stepping out onto your rooftop, and instead of concrete and tar, you're surrounded by swaying plants, fresh herbs, buzzing bees, and even vegetables ready to harvest. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the secret. That dream can be your reality. In today's video, we're unlocking the secrets of turning your rooftop into a lush, thriving gardeno, no matter where you live. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet town, this ultimate rooftop garden guide will show you how to transform dead space into a green paradise that's good for the planet, your health, and your soul. Before we get our hands dirty, let's talk about why rooftop gardens are becoming more than just a trend. Cities are getting hotter, literally. Rooftop gardens act like natural air conditioners, reducing indoor temperatures by up to 7 degrees Celsius or 13 degrees Fahrenheit. They lower your energy bills, absorb rainwater, improve air quality, and guess what? They can even increase your property value. Plus, there's something deeply satisfying about sipping tea next to your basil, mint, or tomatoes grown by you on your roof. Here's the thing, not all roofs are ready for a garden. Start by checking. Is your roof flat or slightly sloped? Can it support the weight of soil, containers, and water? Does it have drainage systems? Consult a structural engineer or building expert before you plant a single seed. Safety first, you want a garden, not a jungle disaster. If your roof can't handle heavy loads, don't worry, we've got lightweight options coming up next. Now for the fun part, what should you grow? Herbs like basil, rosemary, thyme, and mint are great starting points. Vegetables such as cherry, tomatoes, lettuce, spinach, and radishes love rooftop sun. Pollinator flowers like lavender and marigolds keep the bees buzzing and your plants happy. And yes, small trees like dwarf lemon or fig trees are possible with large planters. Here's a pro tip. Go vertical. Install trellises or wall-mounted planters to maximize limited space. Watering is the lifeline of your rooftop garden, but carrying a hose up every day? No thanks. Smart gardeners use drip irrigation systems, automated and water-efficient. Rainwater harvesting barrels, sustainable and cost-effective. Or even self-watering planters with reservoirs. Just remember, more sun equals faster evaporation, so your garden might get thirsty more often than a ground-level one. Rooftops get the brunt of nature's wind, sun, and storms. So be prepared. Use windbreaks like bamboo screens or glass panels. Install shade cloth to protect from scorching midday sun. Choose sturdy containers that won't tip over. Some gardeners even build pergolas or greenhouses on their roof for year-round gardening. And yes, they look incredible. A rooftop garden isn't just for plants, it's for you too. Create spaces that invite you to relax. Add a bench or swing chair for evening sunsets. String up solar-powered fairy lights for magical nights. Lay down a wooden deck or outdoor rug for coziness. Your rooftop should feel like a secret hideaway. Above the world, a space for meditation, meals, or just escaping the noise. Want to go the extra mile? Install a bee hotel or even a rooftop beehive if it's legal in your area. Start a compost bin using kitchen scraps. Plants will thank you. Create a butterfly garden or bird-friendly corner to support urban wildlife. Believe it or not, some cities like Chicago and Toronto actually offer tax incentives for green rooftops. That's right, your garden could pay you back. Feeling overwhelmed? Don't be. You don't need to go all in from day one. Start small. Just a few pots of herbs and flowers. Learn your sunlight pattern. Upgrade little by little. Every rooftop paradise began with a single planter. Your rooftop has a secret. It's holding space for something beautiful. So here's the question. What's stopping you from creating your own rooftop oasis? Let us know in the comments what you'd love to grow first.